Because you were on felony release on other matters when these new allegations allegedly occurred, I do have to hold you non-bondable. So talk with your attorney. Your attorney can ask for your release in the new case at that next hearing. I am setting a bond on your probation violation and your failing to appear cases, the amount of $500 on your probation matter and $500 on your failure to appear, but don't post those bonds because you're being held non-bondable in the new case. Talk with your attorney about all of this, but all of this will be in your paperwork. Do you have any questions?
Yes, Your Honor. Then my next court will be the first, right? That's the one we talked to. All right, bet. Thank you, Your Honor.
No problem. Grab your paperwork to your left.
That was a bet?
Vicky Clark to the podium and Michael Smith to the chair.
Do you think he's talking to his homie or what? Yes.
Good morning. May I have your name and date of birth?
Vicky Clark, September 30th, 1981.
Thank you. We are here today on 6 different cases, a new case, a grand jury warrant, and 4 probation violations. On your new case, you were arrested on allegations of dangerous drug possession, class 4 felony, narcotic drug possession, class 4 felony, and drug paraphernalia, class 6 felony. I will find probable cause except for the dangerous drug possession allegation. I will appoint you an attorney, so talk with your attorney about what that means moving forward. I will set a status conference on August 1st at 8:30 and a preliminary hearing on August 5th at 8:30, both in the downtown Superior Court. We're also here on a grand jury warrant. You were indicted on 1 count of criminal trespassing, class 6 felony, and 1 count of assault, class 1 misdemeanor from an incident in October of 2024. I will appoint you an attorney to represent you in that case as well and set an arraignment hearing on August 1st at 8:30 in the downtown Superior Court. Finally, we're here on 4 probation violations for violating term 3 of your probation. I will appoint you an attorney in all 4 of those cases and set them all for a probation revocation arraignment hearing on August 4th at 8:30 in the downtown Superior Court. I am going to issue a secured bond in the amount of $500 on your new case. I will affirm the bond in the grand jury warrant. That's an $800 secured bond. And then in your probation matters, I am setting a secured bond in the amount of $2,500 on the first 2 cases. I will set a secured bond in the amount of $250 on the 3rd case, and I will hold you non-bondable in your 4th probation matter. So you do have bonds on most of your cases. However, since I'm holding you non-bondable in one of your probation matters, don't post those bonds because you won't be released on that matter. Talk with your attorney. Your attorney can ask for your release at the next hearing. All this information will be in your paperwork. Did you have a question?
Yes, I don't understand how these charges, and you're saying I've got arrested for assault and things like that. In October, I wasn't. The only time I've been to court was in November, and that was it. And I went to court November twice. And all these other charges, sir, the one where I'm not bondable, which one is that one?
Your probation violation.
Okay, well, the only thing that I was not charged with anything. Those charges were dropped on both of those charges at the thingy. But they told me that. So
you have 4 cases right now in which you are on probation.
That's not possible. I don't.
Probation is active.
Oh, what? Oh, she fainted. She's that man down. Man down. Oh, I've never seen this before. OMG. Come on.
I'm sorry.
Get up. We need an EMT. Mouth to mouth.
Okay, Ms. Clark, all of that information will be in your paperwork. The officers are going to escort you out of the courtroom.
Oh, that's a...
Michael Smith to the podium, and Roger Moran Velasquez to the chair, please.
Up next on the Days of Our Lives.
Good morning. May I have your name and date of birth?
Michael Smith, 1772.
Thank you. We are here today on a Superior Court case. You were arrested on allegations of criminal damage, class 6 felony, and disorderly conduct, class 1 misdemeanor. I will find probable cause, and I will appoint you an attorney. I am setting a status conference on August 1st at 8:30 and a preliminary hearing on August 5th at 8:30, both in the downtown Superior Court. I am going to issue a secured bond today in the amount of $25,000. That does mean you can use a bonding company. If you do post bond, I am also ordering that pretrial services supervises you in the community.
Sound check.
They install an ankle monitor on you prior to your release. I'm also ordering that you not return to the scene of any alleged crime, no contact with any alleged victim, complainant, or witness, no weapons, drugs, or alcohol, and you must obey any terms of any order of protection or order against harassment that has been or will be issued. All this information will be in your paperwork. Do you have any questions?
Nope.
Grab your paperwork to your left.
Hey, thank you guys for confirming you guys could hear me.
Roger Velasquez to the podium.
Hey,
and Brandon
I wasn't expecting that. In a million years, I would have never thought that she would fake faint. That was not a real faint.
Good morning. May I have your name and date of birth?
But that didn't look real.
Your name and date of birth?
Español.
Español. No Nintendo.
Yep.
No
Can we reach out to Ms.
Nintendo.
Carmona and see if she's still
Come on,
available?
amigo. Gave her a Grammy for that
Brandon
performance.
Begay to the podium.
And the
Jason
cop didn't
Vargas
even
to
care.
the
Did you see? They just